Hi, I'm Nirmal Kaur. I'm an English language teacher. I carried out a lesson today on sounds of music for Year 6 pupils. The objective of my lesson today was to enable pupils to identify the various musical instruments. The second objective of my lesson was to enable pupils to state the 4 families of the musical instruments. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, teacher.
I'm sure you do listen to music. Shahira Sophia, can you share with the class why you like to listen to music?
I like to listen to music because it helps me to relax and have fun.
Very good. Shahira Sophia likes to listen to music because she feels that listening to music helps her to relax and she has fun too. Okay, what about Afika? Why do you like to listen to music?
I like to hear music because it allows me to express my feelings and emotions.
Very good. Okay, so Afika likes to listen to music because it helps her to express herself. Can anyone now tell me, what did we study in our English language class yesterday? Yes, Razik, can you tell me?
We learned about musical instruments.
Yes, in our class yesterday, if you remember, we learned the names of various musical instruments and we did describe them. Now in this presentation, you are going to see some of the musical instruments that we learned yesterday. While watching, please do write down the names of the musical instruments. Did you like the presentation?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, who wants to try to name some of the musical instruments that you just watched? Aisha?
Some of the musical instruments that I can recall are drum,
Okay, you could recall the drum,
bassoon,
bassoon,
clarinet,
clarinet,
conga,
okay, conga,
gong,
gong.
and guitar.
Well, okay, Aisha could remember 6 musical instruments. Well done, Aisha. Give her a clap. Okay, now who wants to try? Naming more. There are only 6 here. Okay, Ahmad Mirza.
The xylophone,
Okay,
the violin,
the violin,
the tuba,
tuba,
the trumpet,
the trumpet.
and the timpani.
Thumbs up for Ahmad Mirza too. Give him a clap. Okay, who else wants to try? Okay, Nabil.
Sitar,
Okay, the sitar,
oboe,
oboe.
tambourine,
Okay,
and the tabla.
Nabil had 4. Very good. I feel there is something left out. Now, who can guess? Nuratira Samad?
The harp.
Good one. She could remember harp was left out. Now, do we have all the musical instruments here? Yes, teacher. All these musical instruments too do have a family. Okay, the 4 musical instrument families are string instruments, the wind instruments, the brass instruments, and the percussion instruments. Okay, to understand better about these 4 families, we are going to do a short reading activity. Okay, I'm going to give out the text, and for that I will want the group leaders to come forward and to collect the reading text from me. Alright, do you all have your reading text? Yes, teacher. Now we will start with our reading activity. Can I have Noor Atira Samad to read the first paragraph?
Yes, teacher.
String instruments produce sounds when the musicians make the strings vibrate. The strings are plucked, bowed, and struck. When the strings vibrate, they cause a unique sound. Some examples of string instruments are the violin, viola, guitar, harp, sitar, mandolin, and the piano.
Very good, Nur Atira. And who would like to read the second paragraph? Yes, Umaira?
Thank you, teacher. Wind instruments are instruments that make sounds when the musician blow air into a pipe or tube. The sound happens when the air vibrates inside. Air is blown across an edge or between two reeds. Some examples of wind instruments are the flute, oboe, clarinet, bassoon, recorder, and the bagpipes.
Well done, Umaira. And who else wants to try reading the third paragraph? Okay, can I have Liz Rania to read the third paragraph?
Yes, teacher. Brass instruments make sounds when the musicians blow into them. These instruments are called brass instruments because they are made of metal called brass. The trumpet, trombone, French horn, tuba, and the bugle are some examples of brass instruments.
Well done, Liz Rania. And what about the last paragraph? Is there anyone who wants to read the last paragraph? Harsha, would you like to try?
Yes, teacher. The percussion instruments are played by being hit and shaken. Once it is hit or shaken, a vibrating sound is made. Percussion instruments, such as drums, can be hit with sticks. They can also be hit with the hand like the bongo drum or against themselves like the cymbals. Other percussion instruments include the triangle, tambourine, timpani, and the gong.
Well done. All of you have read the text so well. Give yourself a clap. Okay, is there any words in this text that you did not understand or that you found difficult in comprehending it? Yes, Alif?
Teacher, what is the meaning of the word bowed?
Oh, okay, a very good question. Now, bowed is a technique used by a musician to play a particular musical instrument. For example, the violin. So, the musician bowed the violin. Okay, it is a verb, it is an action word. Do you understand now, Alif?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay, now you know about the string instruments. Okay, the string instruments, they produce the sound when the musician makes the strings vibrate. Then you have the wind instruments, where sounds are made when the musicians blow air into a pipe or tube. Then you have the brass instruments, where the musicians will blow air into them just like the wind instruments. How is the wind instrument different from a brass instrument? Yes, can Dini try that?
Brass instruments is different from wind instruments because brass instruments are made from a metal called brass.
Very good, Dini. Okay, and the percussion instruments are played by being hit and shaken. Okay, this is what these 4 musical instrument families are. I hope this lesson will be a help to teachers, especially teachers who are carrying out the topic Sounds of Music. By doing activities that are motivating and inspiring will help our pupils to convey their ideas even better.